Now for part 3. Part 3 is a trapezium in which AB is 1 centimeter, BC is 2 centimeter and CD is 1 centimeter and AD is 1 centimeter. And we know that in trapezium is a quadrilateral in which one pair of opposite sides is parallel and another pair of opposite sides is non-parallel. So in this, parallel sides are AD and BC and non-parallel sides are AB and DC. So to find the area of trapezium, formula is half into sum of parallel sides into height. In this, parallel sides are AD and BC, but height is not given. So first we have to find the height of this trapezium. So in this we will draw a perpendicular, that is DF. DF is the height of this trapezium. So we can write as H, means H is the height of this trapezium. So to find the height of this trapezium, we will draw a line DE. Now DE is parallel to AB by construction and AD is parallel to BE, that is given. Now ABED is a parallelogram because in this opposite sides are parallel. If opposite sides are parallel, it means ABED is a parallelogram. We know that in parallelogram, opposite sides are equal and parallel. If AB is 1 centimeter, so DE will be equal to 1 centimeter. If AD is 1 centimeter, so BE will be equal to 1 centimeter. And if BE is 1 centimeter and BC is 2 centimeter, so EC will be equal to 1 centimeter. Now see in this triangle DEC. If in this triangle DEC, base is given, area is given, we can find the height by right angle formula, half into base into height. In this, base is given EC 1 centimeter, but area is not given. So first we have to find its area. We can find the area by Heron's formula because all the three sides are given, DE, EC and CD. All the three sides are given, so we can find the area of this triangle DEC by Heron's formula. So we will apply Heron's formula to find the area of triangle. In this, all the three sides are 1 centimeter. Find semi-perimeter, then apply Heron's formula to find the area of triangle, that is under root 3 by 4 centimeter square. Now in this, if area of triangle is under root 3 by 4 centimeter and base is EC 1 centimeter, we can find the height. Now apply right angle formula, half into base into height. In this, area is under root 3 by 4, it is equal to half into base is EC, that is 1 centimeter and height is H. So find the value of H, that is under root 3 by 2. H is the height of this trapezium. So find the area of trapezium, half into sum of parallel sides into height, means half into parallel sides are AD and BC. So AD plus BC into height. AD is 1 and BC is 2 and height is under root 3 by 2. Now solve this. It is equal to 1.2975, that is the area of third part. Now we have to find the total area. Total area is area of part 1, area of part 2, area of part 3 and area of part 4 and 5. So add all the areas, it is equal to 19.28 centimeter square approximate.